Hey, this is Frank Burke with Dinosaur Rocketry, and this is a model I put together based on some pictures that I saw on Facebook of some original Estes art for a model that they didn't make in this format, but they renamed it something else. But it was basically using Big Bertha parts in a shortened kind of cartoon format, which are referred to as Goonies. And it was supposed to be kind of like a buzz bomb, and I saw that and I really liked the design. It was sort of funny German markings, very similar to the Der Red Max, and so I decided to style a radio control rocket glider after that same design. So I've upsized the body tube to BT80, which is 2.6 inch, used the same nose cone, and then added wings, which the original rocket didn't have. It would have had the nose cone section back here, and it would have just had tail fins to fly like a rocket. So I've added wings of the same general format, and it's got kind of a pseudo pulse jet up on the top like a buzz bomb, and some funny markings on it. And it's about 32 inches long, 23 inch wingspan. It's using 2 servos on the bottom, running separate tail surfaces for roll and pitch, and it weighs about 10.5 ounces ready to fly, and we're gonna give it a flight. Buzz bomb in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not bad on the up pump. Yeah, that was nice and hands-off-ish. I just need a buzzing noise. Bloody complete. Yeah, when it turns sideways, it looks a lot more buzz bomby.